but I got the key, and I'm going to give it to you today. How do you get emptied? You get emptied by focusing on what God wants and doing it again and doing it again, and it becoming your prayer, and it becoming your hope, and it becoming your desire, and it becoming everything to you, to the point where you're not thinking about your career anymore, to the point where you're not thinking about your plans anymore, to the point where you wake up in the morning and you think, God, I only want what you want for me. Not my will, but your will be done in my life, in my life as it is in heaven. Consecration is the emptying. Consecration is the emptying. The more you focus on what God wants, the less you think about what you want.